Ladies and gentlemen, with 3Bro here. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can claim $100 free from Nexa platform. Okay, so this platform is launching today, probably because today seems to be the last day you can actually claim this $100. So if you see this video today, do yourself a service to grab free box here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over here to where you see discover. Okay, where you see discover, this place you see discover, and then click on it. Now ensure that it is on BNB Smart Chain. Okay, if you don't know how to create the wallet, you will now come over here to where you see this wallet sign. Okay, then you click on that place, then you click on BNB here. This is BNB. You click on BNB. You can now click on create wallet. Okay, create wallet. When you do that, ensure it is on BNB. You click the first one. All right, you click the first one, this one, okay. You click the first one and to go straight to the point, and then you can now label this one and then put your password, confirm your password, and then after that you're gonna click on agree. This particular place, click that and you're good. You create your wallet. Okay, then you back up your wallet, and that's how to do it. But since I've already done mine, so I'm gonna click on discover right here, and then the link will be in the description. You're gonna copy the link. Please don't forget, copy the link and paste it here. Okay, it's called nexaglobal.world. Then you now click on this place again and then click on load. It has to be in BNB, remember. Then you click on continue. That is how you're going to grab the $100. So you have your sponsor ID right here. Okay, so you have your sponsor ID right here, you have your wallet here and other stuff here. All right, and then you're going to click on sign up. Don't click on disconnect. Now automatically it has detected your wallet address and has connected automatically. So what you're going to do is to click on sign up. Click on sign up. Okay, click on sign up. Processing your request. Please do not. Then it has been successfully signed up, registered. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is to click on sign in here, this particular one. All right, you click on sign in right here with that same address. Okay, then you click on login. All right, click on login, validating data, and boom, you are in your dashboard. You see what I said? You're gonna grab $100 when you register, free $100. Okay, so what you're gonna do is to get started with this platform, because there's gonna be daily income, there's gonna be daily ROI. As you can see right here, there's gonna be daily income, there's gonna be daily ROI, there's gonna be compounding interest, and then you're gonna have salary. Okay, so I'm in the next video I'm gonna actually do a detailed video on that. Okay, or maybe I can actually do it right now, because I think, look at what is happening here. Look at this place, look at this. It's saying 4 days 13 hours 52 minutes remaining for welcome bonus. So that means you have 4 days from now. So if you have your friends, if you have colleagues, family members, or people they can grab this free $100 right now, can register. Share your link. Look at my link here. I'm going to drop it in the description below. Copy the link, watch the video and follow the direction accordingly. Okay, and then you're going to grab your stuff. So there are a whole lot that we're going to learn right here. Because there are a lot of things we have to learn. Okay, so with time we are going to have we are going to navigate the platform fully to understand what this is about. Okay, so that will be for the video. If you're new this video, kindly subscribe, share the video, like, comment, and turn on the notification bell, that whenever we post a video you'll be the first to know. So this is how you can register on Nexa Global. All right, and then I'll be talking about the video on the platform, how it works, what you can do to make money on the platform. So see you in the next video. With 3Bro once again. Please like, share, subscribe, and then the link is also in the description below. Don't forget, and we will see in another video. Thanks for watching.